Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about an upcoming potentially major winter/ice storm that'll impact areas as far south as Texas and as far north as Wisconsin and potentially the Northeast. Before you get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. Also, share this with friends and family and like the video to get this out to as many people as possible. Let's get right into this. This is the latest NAM model, and this is the late morning of December 31st, New Year's Eve day. And you can see rain, thunderstorms, heavy snow in the back end of Texas here. And this day, which is tomorrow, significant severe thunderstorms are likely across portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. I will probably be doing a live stream on that threat, potentially, depending. But a significant severe threat is setting up in this whole southern region here, while snow pushes on the back end of the system. Moving ahead into the early afternoon of Thursday, December 31st, and you can see snow maintaining in Texas, mixing in with a little bit of ice there as well. And you can see this is the overnight hours into New Year's Day, January 1st, 2021. And you can see widespread ice from Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri with rain surrounding it and some snow. And this is the late morning of January 1st. And you can see some snow in Oklahoma, Kansas, with some ice continuing in northern Missouri, central Illinois, central Indiana. And by the afternoon of January 1st, you can see that ice starts pushing into the southern Great Lakes region and even some possible ice in Pennsylvania as well in the mid-Atlantic, along with snow in the Midwest. And by the late evening and overnight hours into January 2nd, its ice transitions to snow in the Great Lakes while ice continues in the mid-Atlantic. And by the very early morning hours of January 2nd, heavy snow is possible in the Northeast, and some snow remains in the Great Lakes. And it generally pushes out of the general view of the United States by the afternoon of January 2nd. These are potential snowfall totals from the system, and you can see widespread 12 plus inches in Texas in the crimson color and 6 plus inches in the pink color. Overall, it's not really going to be a widespread significant snow event, though there will be pockets of 12 plus inches of snow in some areas. But this snow is going to add on top of the already existing snow on the ground from the winter storm that happened either yesterday and last night. So it will bring an additional couple inches of snow to those already severely impacted. These are potential ice totals, and you can see widespread half-inch plus and 1 inch plus in Texas, and widespread half-inch plus in Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, with 1/4 inch plus and 1/10 inch plus in the lighter pink shades. And in the mid-Atlantic, widespread 1/4 plus inches all over the place. This is one model, one scenario that could happen. This is total accumulated freezing rain from the NAM 3K model, and you can see widespread 1.5 plus inches in Texas, widespread half-inch plus in Iowa, Missouri. Ice storm criteria is 0.5 inches of ice or more widespread, and that is quite possible depending on where you are. And just widespread at least 1/4 inch of ice depending on where you are. So this will probably end up being an ice storm unless something changes. This is the Storm Prediction Center's Day 2 outlook, and you can see a large slight risk impacting Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. With a 5% tornado risk, this could get upgraded to an enhanced later today or tomorrow. Potentially a 10% tornado risk is definitely possible. There's a 15% wind risk and a 15% hail risk. That's just a weather forecast for this upcoming potential ice storm. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment if you want. Goodbye.